Let's give thanks. We're here another day. We are blessed no matter what they say. Have to give thanks to the Almighty. Forever we're grateful and always pray. You're watching Rock Royalty. You're watching Rock Royalty. You're watching Rock Royalty. You're watching Rock Royalty. Rock Royalty.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just taking a walk around the property to observe and to take a little evening walk. So come along, let me show you what's happening in this part of the woods. Okay, please remember to like, share and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment as well. Alright, I am standing here at a place on our property, and it's the first I'm coming this side to be exact. Look at the trench and the depth of the gully that Melissa has made right through a portion of our property. Water, the power of water did all this, all the way down. Look at that. That is like about 20 feet deep from all the way up there, come down. I'm even a bit scared to walk along the banks because I don't know. I'm afraid that it might shell off. I'm gonna go down a little to see if I can get a little more footage. Oh my word, look at this. Ooh. Look at that. The power of water. It's not just dirt, stone is there, and the water cut away everything. Look how deep that is. This is the root of the tree, and look how far down. Look at that. The effects of Melissa was very devastating. But as I said, we still have to give thanks. Our house was spared. Tank, everything went, all zinc, all board, everything went from that. But our house was spared. Look at that. Thanks be to God that the water was diverted this way instead of coming out to near where our house is. The tallest of person could be standing there, and there's way a lot of height above. This is like a house deep tallness which the water has done. The power of water, the power of nature, the power of things. So thank God for sparing us. Yes, pumpkins are flourishing. Banana trees are flourishing. So in the near future we'll have food and fruit to eat. Have to give thanks. They said after the storm there must be a calm. Yes, the pumpkins are looking quite well, quite lovely. We have some cerasee right here blooming. So cerasee is good to purge the blood, get rid of impurities from in the blood, and there's a lot growing right here. Good for the skin, good to cleanse you internally. So we're thankful for that cerasee plant. Just boil it, enjoy it, whichever way you prefer. Make tea. The taste is not all that great for persons who are afraid of bitters, but it's very good for the body. And we have a lot right here. Yes, just taking a little evening stroll here at home. For those watching for the first time, my name is Raquel. I'm from St. Elizabeth in Jamaica, in a district called Retrieve. So where Retrieve is at, it's in the Santa Cruz Mountain, and where we live you can see Knoxwood, Black River, Mountainside, and a part of Burn Savannah. So we're right on the mountain, viewing the ocean. So down there where you're looking now, that's Knoxwood. So yes, Knoxwood around that side, Burn Savannah. If I go down some more, over there is Treasure Beach, over that side. Yes, right here is Knoxwood. And parts of Burnt Savannah over that side. And that's the ocean, God's creation. In about a couple hours from now, you would have seen the beautiful sunset. Yes. Another section here. First time coming to this part of the property since the hurricane has passed. Oh my word. Look at that. Big boulders. And the water cut, move them out. Oh gosh. Look at that. Straight through. Oh Lord. Come down and cut straight through. So you can only imagine the amount of water that went down by Knoxwood. Just look. The amount and the power of the water that could do all of this. And all of the water from up here on the mountain went down by Knoxwood. And I don't think Knoxwood reported any loss of life, so we have to be grateful. Look at that. Water did that. Knoxwood down there. Look at what Melissa did. And over this side, we have a few of our goats. Yes. It will be soon time for us to bring them up closer to the house because we don't want stray dogs to come. Sometimes they do come up and bite them, and we don't want that to happen. So in a couple minutes we shall bring them up closer up to the house for safety. And this is the ever-loving, ever-playful Rami. Oh my word, he's almost like a pet to each and every one of us. Loves to play. Look at him. Hello, sir. I am not playing with you, sir. He is such a playful animal. Hello. How are you, Mr. Goat? How you doing? Eating grass? Eating grassy? You're good? Hello. Hello. You play too much. Yes, yeah man, show your skills. I am happy to see you too. Yay. Say hello to the vlog. Say hello. All right. Others are watching like he always going on with something.